Hello guys, welcome to robocart.com. Today we will learn and make a circuit that is really easy to make but also the most effective and useful circuit in terms of concepts. So today we will make a voltage divider circuit. Voltage divider circuit is a circuit which converts a large voltage into a smaller one. That is, it degrades its original voltage value. This circuit is one of the most basic yet important concepts to learn the further major concepts of electronic circuitry. To make this circuit, you would need a 1K resistor, a 10K resistor, 9V battery and its connector, multimeter, jumper wires and breadboard. So let's get going. A voltage divider circuit is simply built only on two resistors R1 and R2 as shown. The required output can be obtained across the resistor R2. Using these resistors, we can convert an input voltage to any required output voltage. Note that the output voltage can only be less than the input and never more. If the value of R1 is equal to R2, then the value of output voltage is half of the input value. If the value of R1 is much lesser than R2, then the value of output voltage will be approximately equal to the input voltage. If the value of the R1 is much greater than R2, then the value of the output voltage will be approximately equal to 0. Now let us look at the formula for the voltage divider circuit. The voltage divider formula for Vout is equal to Vin into R2 upon R1 plus R2, where Vout is the output voltage and Vin is the input voltage. Now let us make the circuit so that we can test it. First, using the multimeter, we will check the exact voltage of the battery. Then we will connect our R1 resistor, that is 1K, to our breadboard, connected between our bus stripe and the terminal stripe. Connect our R2 in series with it or along with it. Now connect a battery to its connector. Give VCC to our R1 and ground to R2. It's now time to measure our voltage across the resistors so that we can calculate our voltage dividends. We see that R1 opposes 1.06K. Our V out here is 7.94, which is approximately 8 volts. This shows that our voltage dividends did work. And our 1K resistor opposed till 1 volt in our circuit, making our 9 volt battery's output as 7.9 volts. Until now we know that Vin is equal to 9 volts, R1 is 1.06 kilo ohm and R2 is 10 kilo ohm. So let us calculate our Vout from our given formula, where Vout is Vin into R2 upon R1 plus R2. Vin is 9, where R2 is 10,000, R1 is 1000, and so the calculation will go as 9 into 10,000 upon 1000 plus 10,000, which is equal to 90,000 upon 1160, which would eventually give us as 8.13 volt. Well, this value is approximately right, but practically it differs a little, as a resistor of 10 kilo ohm does not exactly resist that much amount, and a battery isn't exactly 9 volt but a little more or little less always. But still, it is implementable and usable after our little approximation in our results. So now you guys know the concept of the voltage divider circuit. I hope you understood the formula and its calculations. Also, I hope you understood this concept. Now I take a leave until next time. Thank you.